Class 8. Subject English. Poem 1.3. Trees are the kindest things I know. Chit chat and English workshop. Chit chat 1. When do you receive gift? Answer: I receive gift on my birthday and also when I get good marks in examinations. 2. Do you like to give gifts? Answer: if I like to receive gifts, I should like to give gifts to others. 3. From whom do you get gifts? Answer: I get gifts from my parents, relatives, friends, and neighbors. 4. What is the best gift that you have received ever? Answer: I have received a wristwatch on my 12th birthday from my uncle, who stays in the Delhi. It was the best gift that I ever received. 5. Why is it special for you? Answer: my uncle and I have a good bonding. My uncle loves me a lot and it is a token of his love, so it is special for me. 1. What gift do trees give to mankind? Answer: trees give the following gifts to mankind. 1. They give the breath of life. 2. They maintain the balance of nature. 3. They provide sweet fruits. 4. They help to bring rain, which is essential for living beings on the earth. 5. They give shelter to mankind. 2a. Name the parts of trees that begin with B for branches, branch. F for fruits, flowers. T for trunk, treetop. B. In most countries in the northern hemisphere, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Try to guess what is the season in the months given below. 1. March, April, May, spring. 2. June, July, August, summer. 3. September, October, November, autumn. 4. December, January, February, winter. 3. An artist paints pictures using colors. A poet or writer can also paint pictures in your mind or imagination by using descriptive phrases. For example, blue sky, soft white clouds, floating clouds, etc. Write down 4 such phrases which describe anything beautiful in nature. 1. Jewel blue, stream. 2. Flax gold, branch. 3. Nut brown, forest. 4. Parsley green, fields. Question 1. Pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words. A. Fun. Rhyme with begin, sun. B. No. Rhyme with know, grow. C. Now. Rhyme with cow, bow. D. Sight. Rhyme with light, night. E. Fly. Rhyme with sky, lullaby. Question 2. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. A. And in the spring, new birds of green. B. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. C. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. D. And when a moon floats on sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. E. And spread a shade of sleepy cows. Question 3. The poet refers to trees as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. Answer 1. Trees spread a shade for sleepy cows. 2. Trees gives fruits. 3. Birds gathers on their boughs. 4. Trees give wood to build houses. 5. Trees give leaves to burn Halloween. Question 4. Find words that describe the following. Answer 1. Sleepy cows. 2. Kindest things. 3. Morning sun. 4. Drowsy lullaby. 5. Kindest trees. Question 5. Pick out lines that mean the following. 1. Trees provide shelter for animals and spread a shade for sleepy cows. 2. Trees provide food for all. They give us fruit in leaves above. 3. Trees are most lovable. Trees are the kindest things I know. 4. Kids love to listen to songs from trees. They hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. 5. Trees live a simple life. They do not harm, they simply grow. Question 6. Think and write in your own words. 1. What living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Answer. Living things that can harm another. 1. Human being to human being. 2. Human being to animals. 3. Animals and birds to human beings. 4. Birds to germs and insects. 5. Human being to trees. 2. Why are trees called harmless? Answer. Trees are really harmless because they never harm anything anywhere in the world, whereas they helped all the living things on the surface of the earth. They maintain the balance of the nature. They keep the environment clean and pure. They are very helpful to the earth and the living beings on the earth. So, they are really helpful and harmless. 3. Halloween is a festival celebrated in many Western countries on 31st October. What is the season there? Why do you think is there a need to burn leaves on Halloween? Answer A. The season autumn in Western countries is during October. B. I think there is a need to burn leaves on Halloween to make fire and to ward off evil spirit from their life. 4. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Which part of the day is referred in the above lines? Which part of the trees hold the last light of the day? Answer. The period between day and night evening is referred to in the above line. The birds of the tree hold the last light of the day. Question 7. Search for a short poem about trees in your mother tongue. Write it in your notebook and translate any 2 stanzas from the poem into English. Poem in my mother tongue. कवितेचं नाव मुक्त निवारा. असतो जर मी तरू तर मी पाहिले असते गाणारे एक पाखरू माझ्या फांदीवरती. मला भावली असती चप्पड छोटी खारू खालीवर भवताली धावणारी तुरुतुरू. मला भावला असता छावा अस्वलाचा करण्यास धावा आणि एक मोठी साडू आणि छोटा एक बेडूक. रात किडा एक माझ्या निवारा नजरेआड असणारा माझ्या एका पानासाठी रात्रीचे गीत गाणारा आणि एक उंदीर खाली माझ्या मुळांची घरट्यात पहुडलेला आपल्या 6 पिल्यांची. English translation. If I were a tree, I would want to see a bird with a song on a branch of me. I would want a quick little squirrel to run up and down and round for fun. I want a cub of a bear to call and porcupine big, a tree toad small. I would want a katydid out of sight on one of my leaves to sing all the night. And down by my root I would want a mouse with 6 little mouselings in her house. Question 8. Your neighbor is having a huge old banyan tree chopped down to make space for another construction. Write an imaginary conversation between you and your neighbor, trying to stop him from having it cut down.
Good morning, sir. I'm very disturbed and upset to see you having this good old banyan tree chopped down.
No, dear. This tree is of no use now. It's too old.
No, sir. Being too old, it's more useful. It has been providing us oxygen for years and years.
That's true, but there is no option for me.
Think about birds who built nest in it, children like us who play under its shade, cattle who rest in its huge shed.
You are right, dear, but
beside it, it has been maintaining balance of nature, control pollution in our area.
yes, dear, you have opened my eyes. People have been worshipping it for years and years. I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiments.
You can extend your construction at the back and save this precious banyan tree.
Sure, my dear. Now I understood its value. We will protect it.
Oh, that's great. Thanks, sir, for being so kind.